What's the meaning of brat? Brat. Brat.
Brat. Brat. The term brat typically refers to a child who is perceived as spoiled, ill-tempered, or difficult to control. It can also be used to describe someone who is rude, obnoxious, or generally unpleasant to be around. The word has a negative connotation and is often used to criticize or shame individuals for their behavior. While the term can be used playfully in certain contexts, it is generally considered insulting and should be used with caution. Overall, brat is a label that suggests someone is acting immaturely and without consideration for others.